You've just landed in Jakarta. You're tired. You're facing a 2-hour drive to your hotel in Senayan. The taxi driver quotes you $13. That $13 is the standard fare. It's easy. It's comfortable. But what if I told you there's a way to make that exact same journey from the airport to the heart of South Jakarta for just 45 cents? This isn't a joke. This is the ultimate Jakarta travel hack, a multimodal journey that saves you over $12 and gives you a genuine taste of the city. Welcome to the 45 cents challenge. The taxi is a trap. It's fast, yes, but it isolates you from the city and drains your wallet before your trip even begins. For a traveler on a budget or one who seeks authenticity, there's a better way. The secret lies in Jakarta's incredible, yet often overlooked public transport system. Our journey is a 3-step process, combining the airport's free services with the city's massive bus rapid transit network known as TransJakarta. From your arrival terminal, you need to get to the main airport bus terminal. The airport provides a free shuttle bus or the Skytrain to connect all terminals. This part of the journey? Absolutely free. This is where we pay our first and only fare. We are looking for the TransJakarta bus that leaves the airport. The fare is a flat rate of just Rp 3,500, which is about 23 cents. The beauty of the TransJakarta system is its dedicated bus lanes, which help us bypass some of Jakarta's notorious traffic. We're taking a long-haul route, transferring at a major hub like Kalideres or Grogol to get us closer to Senayan. Here's the hack that keeps the cost at 45 cents. Once you're inside the TransJakarta system, you can transfer between routes for free, as long as you don't exit the bus stop area. We're hopping onto a route that heads directly towards the Senayan area. This leg of the journey is your first real look at Jakarta. It's a vibrant, bustling metropolis, and you're right in the middle of it, traveling like a local. We've arrived! We are now within easy walking distance of the Senayan area, the heart of South Jakarta. Total travel time is comparable to a taxi during rush hour, but our total expenditure remains locked at that incredible 23 cents fare. The $13 taxi is convenient, but the 23 cents TransJakarta is a victory. You've saved $12, you've navigated a complex system, and you've gained a local's insight into the city's pulse. So next time you land in Jakarta, skip the easy option. Take the challenge. Take the bus. And tell me in the comments, what's the best travel hack you've ever found? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures.